In this video, I'll show you how to correctly replace your car's front brake pads step by step. We'll go over the essential tools you need and why using quality equipment is important for your safety. Follow along carefully, work smart, and always put safety first. Loosen the wheel nuts before jacking up the car. Always remember to apply the handbrake and place wheel chocks or supports behind the tires to prevent any movement. For safety, never skip this step. To loosen the nuts, turn them in an anti-clockwise direction. Next, carefully raise the vehicle with a jack. Loosening the wheel nuts beforehand ensures a safer and easier lift. After removing the wheel, you can see the brake caliper. It is held in place by caliper pins. You only need to remove one bolt to open the caliper. Once it's opened, the brake pads will be visible and ready for inspection or replacement. The existing brake pads are already worn out, so it's time to install the new ones. The new brake pads come with a special grease. Before installing them, apply this grease as shown. This helps reduce noise, prevents vibration, and ensures smooth brake operation. After installing the new brake pads, you may notice that there isn't enough space to refit the caliper. This is normal because the brake piston is still extended. To fix this, the piston must be pushed back inside the caliper. Then, start the engine for this step. And use a wrench arm to slowly and evenly press the piston back into position. This creates enough space for the new, thicker brake pads and ensures proper braking performance. Take your time during this step and make sure the piston goes in straight and smoothly. Now that the installation is complete, you can refit the tire. Make sure to tighten the wheel nuts by hand first. Once the car is lowered back to the ground, recheck and fully tighten all the nuts to ensure everything is secure. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful car maintenance tips.